today's video, I'll show you how to create a custom menu in WordPress to make your site navigation clear and user-friendly. First, log into your WordPress dashboard. From the left-hand menu, go to Appearance and select Editor. Here choose the template part where your menu will appear, usually the header, so it's visible on every page. Next, click the Add Block icon and search for the navigation block. Insert it if it's not already there. Now you can add links, rearrange them by dragging, and even create drop-down menus for subcategories by nesting items slightly to the right. Once your menu looks perfect, click Save in the top right corner to publish your changes. And that's it. You've successfully created a custom menu, making your WordPress site easier to navigate and more professional. Happy customizing!